Shout out to the talented artists out there. With your knack for creating art, I believe you'll be great at designing a site as well. But you don't know where to start. Don't worry, I'll be guiding you throughout this video. Welcome to Hostinger Academy, and let's get your gallery online. Creating a website doesn't have to be complicated. With beginner-friendly tools like the Hostinger Website Builder, you can get one up in no time. Plus, a website is a perfect place to tell your story, show off your art, and sell it. And luckily, our website builder has features that support all of that and more. So hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications, and let's see how we can make an art website fast and easy. First things first, you'll need to purchase a website builder plan, which comes with everything you need to create a website. Click the link to this landing page I have included in the description below. You'll see two different plans to power your site. Since we want to create a website with e-commerce functionality, let's choose the Business Website Builder plan for this video. Go with the 48 months bundle to get the best deal. It includes a 3-month subscription and a domain name to claim. Just create a hosting account with your email address or simply connect to your Google account. Then pick any payment method you like. And as an appreciation for our viewers, there's a WB10 coupon code you can apply for an extra 10% off. Complete the payment and we're off to the next step. First, you'll be asked to choose how you want to build a website, using AI or with a pre-built website template. If you choose to go with a template, there are more than 100 designer-made ones available, all divided into several categories. No matter your choice, you'll still benefit from all of the AI tools you've picked with the business plan. For now, let's choose the AI website creation flow. Simply enter the website name, choose the type, and explain the overall website concept here. You can also pick a preferred style and color palette in the personalization settings. Now, just click Create a Website button and let the tool do the work. And here's your website draft ready. If you feel like the generated result isn't your style, you can hit back to AI form and revise your prompt. If everything looks good, start editing your website by entering the site editor. As you can see, the essential web pages like home, shop, and contact are already here. And since we've chosen online store as our website type, we've got e-commerce functionality as well. With it, we can set prices, offer discounts, manage inventory, and sell merch all from a single dashboard. I'll show you how to do that in just a moment, but for now, let's edit the site display. If you like it organized, there's even an interactive checklist for what you should do next. Basically, editing the site is just as simple as keeping the elements you like and editing what you don't. To place any element in a certain area, you just need to drag and drop it like this. In case you need any help during the process, there's also an AI chatbot to assist you. If you click this AI Writer button, a new panel will open on the left. Just describe what you want to write, wait for the tool to generate the text, and then copy and paste it where you want it to go. Now, to make everything come together, we can set the color palette and the font for our entire website. For the palette, we can head to the website styles and the fonts tab for our fonts. Pick something that will work well with your art. If you want to experiment with the font combinations, you can create your own by clicking Edit Text Styles. Here, on the shop page, we can display our products and services. If you expect to have lots of items, consider adding this product search element to the page to find them easily. If you want to change your pages, go to Pages and Navigation, where you'll be able to add a page, or delete any by clicking the gear icon first. Up next, I'll show you how to manage your product inventory. If you want to use the site as a portfolio only, feel free to skip to the next part and go straight into publishing. Since e-commerce feature is already enabled, expand the online store menu on the side panel, click Manage Store, and Store Setup Wizard will appear. First, choose a business name that will appear on your site and documents like invoices. You can always edit the name later if you change your mind. Then click Continue and choose your country and the preferred currency. Continue to enter the store management area. Here you can adjust various aspects of your online store, including products, payment options, and company information. Now let's click Add Products. Hostinger Website Builder accommodates plenty of products, so you can sell anything from physical merchandise to digital art, or even book commissions or consultation services. For example, let's choose service. Add an image to show on the product page, then give it a description. If you want some help, click this AI Writer button to generate a description for you. Write your description of the product and hit Generate Text. In a few seconds, you'll see the generated text, which you can edit according to your taste. You can also add a subtitle, which will be shown below the title, or add a ribbon that will be shown on the left side of the title. Remember, the more details you give, the easier it is for your customers to make a decision. If you have different product options, you can add them from the Options section. Simply click Add Option and describe the variant. Then click Save and you'll see the option list. To display the pricing and sample images of your product options, click Manage Variants and don't forget to hit Save once everything's done. You can find all of the products you've added in this Products menu. The Categories menu also lets you group them according to certain criteria. You can also always access the product list later by simply expanding the Online Store menu on the Site Editor. Clicking on an entry will open the respective product page, where you can freely customize it. You can also adjust elements like the page URL, SEO settings, and the product's details by clicking the gear icon. Once you have the product display ready, it is time to add the payment methods. Go back to the Store Manager and choose Add Online Payment. Hostinger Website Builder supports PayPal, Stripe, and dLocalGo, so choose the one you want. PayPal is a known payment gateway providing multiple methods, including PayPal Balance or PayPal Credit, as well as options for debit and credit card payment, or directly via bank account. Meanwhile, Stripe provides similar options with additional e-wallet options like Apple Pay, Google Play, and Alipay. If you're a Brazilian resident, you can benefit from dLocalGo to cover payments within the country. We'll also expand the coverage area to include the majority of Latin American countries real soon. Other than that, Hostinger Website Builder provides manual payment as well. With this method, you can decide whether payment method you want, like paying in cash or by bank transfer. For example, if you want to input manual bank transfers, press Add Manual Payment, then write your own payment instructions to inform the client how to complete the transaction. Then tick the option Enable Manual Payment Method at checkout and hit Save. Customers will now see this payment method during the checkout process. Remember that if your customer selects a manual payment method, you'll need to approve their order manually on the Orders page in your store management area. Okay, once everything is set up, it's time to publish your art website. Before publishing the site, double-check the content, appearance, and overall navigation experience by clicking the preview icons. This way, you can see how it looks on both the desktop and mobile versions. Then don't forget to claim your domain name. Otherwise, your site will go live with this randomly generated name. Simply hover over this part and click Connect Your Own Domain. You'll be redirected to HPanel to claim the free domain name. Once you're done, go back to the website builder and click Go Live. And that's it. Your site is now online and your art is out there. Now, if you want to get discovered, share your site on social media channels or art communities. Guest blogging on relevant art blogs with a link back to your website can also spread the word. And don't forget about SEO. Optimizing your website helps you rank higher on search results. Fortunately, Hostinger Website Builder has built-in AI SEO tools to guide you. You can find the SEO menu under these settings to ensure your site is optimized. To sum it all up, the key to website promotion is consistency. Regular website updates, engaging social media content, and a willingness to try new things will help you build a strong online presence. And there you have it. See, creating a website wasn't that hard now, was it? If you're ready to create your own, use this video as a guide and share your website in the comments below. I'd be more than happy to see your work. Give it a like and share if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to our channel to get more tips on website building. Thanks for watching and good luck on your online journey.